snow so smooth and wide, with earmuffs pink and skates so blue. She raced the wind and the snowflakes too. She giggled past seals and waved at whales, spinning through icy crystal trails. She built a castle from blocks of ice and crowned herself with snowflake spice. She juggled fish on frosty toes and twirled around where the cold wind blows. She made snow angels with wings so neat, then sipped cocoa with marshmallow feet. At dusk she watched the stars unfold, wrapped in a scarf with threads of gold. She whispered, "Let's skate to the moon one day," and dreamed of stars that led the way. They stepped to his feet and made things funny. He zipped through the forest with jelly beans beaten off mushrooms and popcorn we'd eat. He twirled past turtles with giggling hops to cartwheels over the candy corn crops. He waved at the ducks in donut boats and balanced 5 squirrels on root beer floats. He slid through a tunnel of glittery cheese, sneezed so loud he rattled the trees. He landed in a pudding with a pancake hat and got chased by a giggling blueberry cat. At night he curled in a marshmallow bed, wearing a crown made of gumdrops red. He whispered, "Tomorrow I'll roller skate bars," then dreamed of banana-shaped chocolate hats.
Larry the lion wore polka-dot shoes, sipped his lemonade under skies of blues. He roared with a grin so wide and bright, wearing his sunglasses way past night. He played on drums made of mango peels, spun in circles on banana wheels. He painted rainbows with his tail and danced with monkeys who clapped and wailed. He roared a tune to the morning birds, mumbling jungle silly words. He slid on vines and bounced on logs, played peekaboo with sneaky frogs. When stars came out in the sky so wide, he snuggled in grass with bugs by his side. Dreamed of lemonade, a river so sweet, and tigers tap dancing on Chocolate Street.
Toby the turtle moved quite slow, waving at daisies as he'd go. He wore a backpack full of snacks and danced with beetles who played sax. He hummed along with buzzing bees and napped beneath willow trees. And fans said that songs that quote willow trees wicked to me. He tiptoed past a sleepy fox with socks that glowed like candy rocks. He painted rainbows on his shell and sang with frogs beside a well. He rode a leaf down the winding stream and smiled big in every dream. head to feet. He dreamed of clouds shaped like toast, and turtles riding flying boats.
Penny the panda wore overalls bright, splashed with pink and lemony white. She painted trees with jelly bean skies and dotted the sun with polka dot eyes. She giggled and danced with brushes and paws, painting zebras with stripes that caused applause. She made a rainbow slide for ants and gave bright tutus to forest plants. She painted clouds with glitter glue and stars that sang in shades of blue. Her fur got splashed with splots of green and sparkles stuck where paws had been. At night she painted dreams that flew with flying fish and skies of stew. She smiled in sleep and whispered low, tomorrow I'll paint a marshmallow snow.
Freddy the Frog wore a jazzy hat. He drummed on leaves where the fireflies sat. He ribbited tunes that made birds dance, and frogs all wiggled in a conga prance. He bopped on mushrooms big and round, making beats from the forest sound. He spun like a top, his eyes aglow, as dragonflies joined in the funky show. He sang with crickets on a lily stage and rocked the pond from page to page. He leapt through hoops of glowing bugs, then gave his band the biggest hugs. He napped on a lily, soft and wide, with Tadpole snuggle by his side. He dreamed of concerts in the stars, where frogs wore boots and strummed guitars. Freddy the Frog wore a jazzy hat. He drummed on leaves where the fireflies sat. He ribbited tunes that made birds dance, and frogs all wiggled in a conga prance. He bopped on mushrooms big and round, making beats from the forest sound. He spun like a top, his eyes aglow, as dragonflies joined in the funky show. Clara the cat wore velvet blue. She walked like queens and royalty do. She balanced teacups on her head and leapt through hoops made out of bread. She purred in rhythm, soft and light, while fireflies danced in pale moonlight. She tapped her paws on tiles so neat and left behind a trail of sweet. She climbed on clouds and chased her tail, then sailed through air on a cotton sail. She groomed her whiskers with a bow, while mice sang lullabies below. When the stars blinked with silver gleam, she curled up warm in a velvet dream. She whispered, I'm queen of the midnight air, then purred through dreams without a care. Dottie the duck wore a gingham dress, with flour all over, making a mess. She baked banana bubble pies with sprinkles shaped like butterflies. She cracked her eggs with flappy wings and filled her kitchen neat dummies do. We chick cut her eggs with flappy wings and filled filled her kitchen with yummy things. She cooked up clouds of cupcake fluff and scooped sweet dreams in marshmallow puff. She jiggled jello in every hue and iced a cake that sang woohoo. She served her treats on lily trays to frogs in crowns and needy to a day. She'll drink dinner down in half the tube and Isaac ate the can. Sat at chinks on later chinks, blue stars and crowns and bees. At night her oven hummed a song while stars beat down all night long. She dreamed of castles made of bread and donut moons above her head. On the brink, she danced with bees in Tuda's vine and looped through trails of candy vine. She painted skies with frosting rain and sang with wind in minty lanes. She circled rainbows shaped like loops, then spun through caramel-colored swoop. She landed on a donut ring where jelly birds began to sing. At dusk she flew to a cookie nest and cuddled in chocolate for her rest. She whispered, tomorrow I'll fly again across the skies with my sugar friends.